So now we are at comparison. We can always query our database using some comparison operators. We have the greater than, so it might be greater than a value, greater than a certain price, greater than a certain date, etc. Less than, so normally you will hear before a certain date or less than a certain price, something like that. So the next thing that we have is greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to, and then you can have greater than and less than a certain value. So that's a range for a value. And also continuing the range, it can be between a certain period or value. So between a certain date, between a certain age, between a certain fee, something like that, between a certain price. So this is how you write the between. You will say between, greater than, but make sure you include your and. Okay, let's jump into Access and do some of those activities. So the first one we're going to do, give all the names of the students who were born. Either you were born in 1981 or 1983, give the names of these classes. So I'm just going to update this a little bit and let's put 1991 or 1993. So you were born in either of those years. And this is how we do it. So we go to create. And we also need the classes that they take, right? So it's a first name, last name, date of birth, that were born either in 1991. So to get 1991, let's say that we have the date so the expression is invalid, and the reason why it's invalid because there are no dates with just 1991. It actually have the day and the month. So to do that, the person can be born between January and December. So you will just put it should be greater than the last day in 1990. So we say greater than the last day, which is the 31st of the 12th, 1991, but it is less than the first day of 1993. Think about it for a little bit. In essence, you will get the dates. This range, all it will work out to is the every day, the days between in 1992. So that we're looking for. And the or is they can born in 1993. So if they are born in 1993, so that means that it will be greater than 1992. So the last day in 1992, which is December, the 31st of December 1992, but less than 94, right? The first day in 1994. So then we are going to run this query And there you have it, all the persons that were born in 1992 or 1993. So we are going to save that. So with that said, let us look back in the design view how this query was done or designed. So in essence, we want 1992. So it can be January, February, March, whatsoever, right? So in order for us to capture any date like that, we'll have to say that it is greater than the last day. So that means it will start last day of 1991. So if that is greater, that means we are going straight to 1992. But it must be, and it is less than the first day in 1993. So it's less than, it must be sometime in 1992. So the same thing would apply for 1993, greater than the last day in 1992. That means we are going to January 1993. And then we limit it now to the first day, less than the first day in 1994. It has to go back someplace in 1993, right? So that is what we have. So look again on the question. Think about what was asked of you, and you will see it there. Oh, this must be 92, sorry. 92 or 93. And you can do the same thing for this example. List all the students with names containing E. The only thing is you're going to wildcard E, and then you put the range. Alright, so I would want to try this one. I'm going to make it red. J. So let's work out J. It says give the names of all the students who attend classes on Monday or Tuesday. So that is the criteria. The class times day, I mean, must be Monday or Tuesday, and they need to be born between June 1st, 1981 and November 1982. So take a little time to think about it. So we know the two tables that we need are class, and we need the students with their date of birth. So class and students. Let's make that query. For here we actually should put in show table registration.